I name Rukia Tukanu. I hold 52 years. Well, I've been the sell trade, I've been get business, but they pass now for this born business for fen picking. I not get money again. I just sit down no more now. From the day we are born, from the time we I don't mature, I know one day taking. I be just the fen born throughout this time. The first man he married me. From when I left school, now he married me. We don't dey me in 2, 3, 4 years. I not get picking. Go marry other woman. So the other woman waiting, I can't born picking. If they maltreat me now, me commode because of the maltreatments.
I don't dey my husband in house 16 years, 4 months. I not born picking. First, me husband and mama. After 3 years married, now he begin molest, they disgrace me. So ten a day, if we can house he meet at the cookie, they throw away the food. He say me I got witch. He say because me I got witch. Now I make another born. Me get witch na me belly. They eat the witch, the pikin na me belly. Another born. So me pikin drag me come out. Even in small brothers, and they come. If they come at us, they just do anything where they feel at the house. Tell me any free word, disgrace me. Me na rock. What I know they enter me. Me na rock. What I know they enter me.
Even they do all kind bad things to me because I'm not born picking. At times, if they go, they can't take na money, or it can go then 2 days, they come. If I want to talk, I go they talk so he can't meet me. If they beat me, he go kick me, tell me, say, make a come on. He say, better woman want for kind inside, woman where they born. He say, he want for kind inside the house. He say, so let me come out now do. Even where the mommy self, I can carry me complain, go to the mommy, I go meet the woman, sit down there, the woman where he wants now. I go meet the woman, sit down there. Then the woman, they pull it for me. Then mommy, they tell me, say, me na barren woman.
They sleep in a house, they feed me again. If I sick safe, care. Want know. All lady na treat. Very seldom, they can at the house. Say one day, I say, well, if you don't say no want me, go on over me to be people. Now he say, I like you not talk and safe. Then I make plan. I go on over you. They go on over me with 25,000 euros. I didn't marry those days for 14 years, 7 months. I not ever born picking day.
Now, person picking, now I go adopt. For learn normal take care of her, I go get company. The family they ignore me. Even my neighbor I not get party. My man he left me. I don't suffer a lot. Where you see this mark here? This mark, now the man where they can beat. I see ya so na fox now take chuk me na middle net. This me side all me leg all. He chuk me. Now God in grace. Now him pull me down next day na yan. I be they hide me face. For let not chuk me face. Neighbor they know they come on I do because then they glad but the situation any then they cost me.
If you not see this me finger, they fetch me. They fetch this me finger. They fetch me this me finger here. And if you not they see yourself, what it makes out when they see they use glasses. This glasses na me, this me 1 year here, this here. They slap me with the way me husband later when they don't conquer for accept say make he do accept what he want. He slapped me one night, me eye. Then make this me 1 year, and they use glasses. But this me eye, want this now. I need they see clear with and fine.
Say one time, I did not host because when the woman can tell her say, "Bo, no can na this house outside a day. If now you want the man, take the man let go with her, but not outside there. So the man make for hold me. He beats me, he broke me teeth. He beats me, he blow me in my mouth. The teeth been there for damage, and every day he spend out to me that I for move. And with all the years what I don't spend, he tell me say, now because I the witch. If I not be the witch, I not for don't suffer with man, then I not can born for her. Then he push me out of the house.
I go to hospital now, my best friend, they go check me by the machine, they look me, they say me tube long.
They say fibroid. It can move like it make like a pikin. So they can say for do operation, but the money they can call, I'm not able for afford that. Not able forget. My husband not ever assist me. If I say you no get money, you no get that kind of money the way them call. You no ever assist me.
The doctor, he check me. When he check me, now he say I get fibroid. Make I can't tell me husband, let them go do the operation. When I can't tell her, now he say he no get that money there. He say he go prefer he spend that money on the pikin when he don't born. He say he no get problem. If he get problem, he no go born pikin. So from that time now, you know they talk to me, I cook, they eat. Hey, drive me come out. When I see me now, I don't get another work right now. I don't even for like it's a person they say small thing enough for like eat. I go stay now in one unfinished place. Then I stay.
Me neighbor them back now the same thing. Then they all up at me. And Pojo Langa foot. Pojo and they clap for me. Pojo Langa foot. You have born picking. Look who picking now. They go and both say you married. You get married drink now your hand.
They don't say me. I guess they can sell me born for belly. For money, now make I sell me born to the devil for money. Now God go judge them for me. Why they see me sister there? Even this, the entire I want go apply the small one there. They would their grand picking and they picking. I don't feel for a total who's asking also what they talk to. I don't get peace in my life. I don't get peace. I don't get peace. I don't get happiness in my life. Papa God, remember me one day. Let the one that when they laugh me for picking, let them shame for me. God just one. Let even be mad. One on neck, let me for picking, let shame for me. One day, Papa, give me one.
The word where I can feel, where they can tell me, where they don't tell me, to say me I'm barren queen. I don't get pride in society. People that they laugh me and people that they laugh me. Any side way I pass, if I dey in a company safe with me comping them, they go always they talk about their picking them. So me say I can just discourage. Most of the time I cry at the cry.
Me the dirty best spread. I would it pain me today. I die safety, I never ever forget that word today. Then when me sister, when he said me calls me, he taking picking, show me, say look how. You will get see me say, but you know born. See me own. I be really church me today. Then if they get chance for if I get chance for see God, I they tell God, I they ask God what I do. Because we don't talk in words say any woman where it make. If I put aside my mind better, it don't fruitful. So when them born instead for multiply. So what me do when me not for multiply? Do you let it take me life? If you don't say that me pick, let it take me life.
This big condition, it cost me a lot of pain. If I get opportunity, or make I go get joy, I will be grateful to God.
For you men out there, not only in Sierra Leone, but all over Africa and the world, who maltreat your women because they do not have children, or in some cases can only produce female children, you need to stop maltreating them, abusing them, because research shows that 50% of infertility problem is also caused by you men. You did not marry your wife just to be a baby machine. You married her because you love her. Women are supposed to be loved and nurtured, and you have to remember that even you as a man came out of a woman. So all women are mothers. You need to stop and reflect on that behavior. It is not acceptable. It is not appreciable. So once more, to all you men who maltreat, abuse and abandon your wives, spouses, whatever it is, common law marriage, you maltreat them, you need to stop. It is not acceptable.